everyone, I'm Priyanshi and I'm an international student from India. I'm currently pursuing my interior designing at Cañada College. I chose Cañada College because of its breathtaking views and also because it provides the best education in interior designing. I really feel safe and comfortable at Cañada College because of the people. The people are so loving and so welcoming that they're going to embrace you with all the love and happiness, irrespective of the differences. What language, what culture, and what background doesn't matter. All you get here is love and acceptance. On campus, I have been involved with so many events and organized workshops, which has helped me in helping others. And I also got to make new friends, new community, and got to know so many people from different countries, culture, and backgrounds. So here are my 3 tips for international students who are wanting and willing to come abroad. Because here you don't have to fear about your English or communication. People are gonna love you and welcome you. The second tip for international students is that this college is gonna give you so many opportunities. I have already embraced those opportunities and grabbed them and utilized them in the best possible way. You're gonna get leadership skills, you're gonna learn communication, and you're going to make new community. And you're also going to meet new professionals from your particular field. If you are a person who loves natural beauty and who loves to be in nature and study there, Cañada College is for you. Because here are so many spots where you can just go, study, hang out, and your results are gonna be the best.